Today we'll see how lovable AI can help us for bring back our idea into a live mockup before creating website. Let's see. We can easily do by lovable website. For that, first of all, we need a foolproof design structure, like what will be the section, what will be our color combination. So I write it down everything for the section by section, our color, our everything. Okay, now I will copy it and we'll paste this here, and then we'll go. Now lovable AI will create a UI design for us as per as our given information. By this way, we can get one solid UI design. Later we can change the design structure little bit. It will take little bit time for create a UI design as per as our requirement given. So we need to wait little bit. We can see now lovable AI give us some little structure of our website design. You can see the whole design here as per as our given information there. It will create one mockup. We can use this mockup later for creating our any type of website. You can open this whole view in the new tab here. At this section you can open the whole view like this way. Wait, website here. You can see the structure, basic structure. You can take a screenshot, like full page screenshot of this design here. And later you can save this screenshot. Later you can share this screenshot to your developer or to your client before creating the main website. So this is how a lovable website, lovable AI can help us to bring back our design idea into live mockup. Thank you everyone.